Hello there guys, and welcome to a different kind of video here on my channel. Today we're not going to do a review. Today we're just going to enjoy a mountain road and a very special car. This is the BMW E93 M3, and you probably already know what's under the hood. It's the marvelous S65 V8 engine. It's a 4-liter V8, good for 420 horsepower over here in Europe and 400 newton meters of torque. And this is an engine that revs up to 8400 RPM and has developed maximum power at 8300 RPM, 8300, call it whatever you want. I'm a bit woozy right now because I just finished a lap with it. But what we're gonna do today is enjoy the road and enjoy the sound. I'm not gonna speak. It's just a sort of POV video. Let's go. I need a fucking smoke, bro. Well guys, this was the BMW E93 M3, the last naturally aspirated BMW ever made. It's definitely a car that will remain on a high pedestal for all automotive enthusiasts, if you will, for all gearheads, for all petrol heads. This is a car like no other. I've never driven such a V8, such a screaming V8, such a precise and accurate double clutch gearbox. I've never driven a car that gave me such an adrenaline rush. It's not the fastest in the world, but the way this engine feels, you just have to drive it yourself to figure out what I'm talking about. It is absolutely monumental. It takes punishment unlike any other car, and yes, it does have some faults. It is a tricky engine to maintain, but it's worth the effort. This has been one of the most rewarding driving experiences I've ever had, and I'm so grateful that I am able to do this and share it with you. As I said, this is not a review, this is just a sort of POV, if you will, with this car. I wanted to share the experience with you guys. That was it. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And I hope you get yourself an S85 or an S65 like this one to drive on a daily basis. Until next time, don't forget to feed your passions. Ciao.